Nestled in the northwestern part of Singapore, amidst the lush green landscape, there is a garden, Airvatar. I'm Daniel, the airplant artisan. Allow me to bring you along and share with you the magic behind this door. You'll be greeted and embraced by hundreds of tillandsias. These nature wonders come in so many different unusual forms, colors, and sizes. Air plants are not fussy at all because they live out of air. Some days you'll find me misting and grooming my collections so that they'll be healthy and cheery. I enjoy inviting my friends over to introduce my passion and share my knowledge with them, here under a silvery canopy. This is a garden created specially for those young at heart to play and explore. I take inspiration from the surrounding nature to work on my artisanal creation quietly, designing more mini avatars. You'll feel recharged, rejuvenate, and be healthier in both mind and body. Let us be living on air.